Another keepsake, perhaps.
Now, the tablet at least showed you how to get here, but I shall show you the way.
The will of night. Olympus, here I come. Headmistress, guide me.
Odds like old Kronos, we have vanquished awful Typhon once before. Your Lord Uggle, he struck...
Surging on. Tula, fish. And caught. Always a treat. No mercy for servants of the Titan. Hold still in their shades. Or Athera.
Things have not exactly gone our way, dearie.
Sure.
You're agreeable with Hestia, my dear. Her temper and my own don't often mesh, but...
Lost. Transform.
Livery for the Princess of the...
Here we go. I draw you down, O moon. Lend me your light.
The night is clear. Which suits you?
Together we shine. Ensnared.
one of his
Look upon
hairs. One death cap. Whatever this is. By the most outrageous bit of hearsay has been wafting lately on the winds about what ail.
If the hearsay concerned an ancient and enormous monstrosity looking to crush Olympus to...
Oh my. Then I know which monstrosity you mean. And you intend to challenge him and all the rest? There you have it.
Thank you.
Another nectar bottle you can spare on my behalf? Oh, this shall be a split.
I shudder to think what concoction you have in mind.
Seek vengeance, sorceress.
Now to get out of here.
Why bother? How much do I have?
Pardon.
Yes, EP. Didn't even get a piece of your last. Look out below. Here's some of my pals.
Fast asleep again. The file. Come on, Tula.
Something of value there.
See that one, Tula? Victory! Cheers for that, Tula. Steady now. New course needs to be set. Foolish.
The path of stars.
With the grace of
It
the
is
moon.
I, by grace of night.
Bearing set.
Keep him busy for me, eh?
The other night, I thought I saw you launch yourself towards the Olympus summit. Right into that awful storm.
Oh, it was awful. I normally like rain, but not like that. Typhon is drawn to the fortress of the gods, as it's the last defense before the palace of Zeus. Like...
So the gods keep knocking him down, but he keeps getting back up. Trying over and over to accomplish the same thing. A battle of wills. Got it.
Superior might. Not good enough.
There is no danger here.
Accept this message. Let's pick up the pace. The Black Flagship. Now for the last one. Hestia. Adequate. Transform. Lord Charon's ship. Hear me, on my authority. Trouble. Back for another round? baby.
Look there.
Tula, catch. Caught out. Hey, a squid. All set. Try another one, maybe. Coinage.
Darkness guide you.
Messenger. Who's next?
Melinoë?
Excellent timing.
Something...
Lady Athena, by your leave. We have a mutual acquaintance I would ask about, because...
I seldom forget anything, cousin. Especially not insolent mortals who see themselves as equals to the gods, though she is not exactly...
Well, she lives down in Erebus now, near where I reside, and she's so wretched about her appearance, which I understand is from a curse you wrought. Doubtless entirely deserved, but have mercy on her, Lady Athena.
So many mortals grovel to me all the time, but goddesses, and on behalf of mortals far too prideful to grovel for themselves.
But...
Wise choice. May you again prevail.
Olympus, I accept this message. Stronger. Wow, you must be Talos. Please tell me you're smarter than the other automatons around here. I'll have to take that as an absolutely not. Mindless machinery and nothing more. Could sacrifice a boon. Too good a boon.
The numerous defensive capabilities of terrifying Talos, the most powerful of the Olympian automatons wrought by the hands of great Hephaestus himself.
Surely Talos will recall this misunderstanding next time. Hear me, on my authority. Delivery coming soon. We showed them, Tula. In the name of Hades. My silver's come alive.
Predictably enough.
The gods, one of them anyway, extend an offering of peace, Prometheus. Lord Dionysus would have you...
My foresight only works if there is any possibility of an outcome taking place.
You and your master are different.
Dionysus wants merely to drown his few remaining complicated...
delivery arrived.
Why, hello.
Something nearby.
Tula, be my guest. And caught. Wow, a star sailor. I don't like either one of you. All right. One remains. Now this fortress is your grave.
My mum the Queen could not believe that you and I had been conversing lately, Witchy, so I had to...
My son Hephaestus need only prove he can exude the confidence befitting a god.
Greater might.
Oi, it's only me.
Gently now. It's done. Almost to the top. The walls are breathing. That's something.
What'll it be?
Hermes.
What a bargain.
All right, Em, I don't want to hold you up now that you're here. You've got important business after all. Just making sure you made it in one piece.
Still in one piece, Lord Hermes, but we'll see how long that sticks.
Oh, that is grim. Although you know what else is? This entire situation we're in. I mean, look at this place. So how about we both get out of here?
Quite enough, Typhon.
Zeus. Thank you.
And fall back to the palace. Fight!
You're gone.
Finally, the terrifying storm tearing apart the fortress of the gods starts to relent.
At least for now. To all my family on the mountain, let me pass.
Ahead lies the well-hidden and protected palace of the king and queen of all the gods.
Keep holding on.
Ruling the heavens and the
Music.
sun shall rise.
Lady Aphrodite. Artemis.
A fated glory ours to take.
Welcome.
We welcome you.
To test.
Moonlight guides you.
We need no guide. We got that monstrous fiend once more, young lady, thanks most certainly to you. Such courage in the face of catastrophe. And our palace remains safe and secure, and further reinforced should Typhon try for us again.
You were splendid, my dear. Had things grown any more dire, we were preparing for a last resort a son of ours developed. But the cost of it is high indeed.
It's my pleasure to have been of service to our family, Queen Hera, and to see the wonders of these halls once more. Perhaps we may yet permanently dissuade Typhon soon.
And what do you have in mind on that account? Our own research has yet to yield the force that could take Typhon without also taking this entire mountain down. He's even fiercer now than when he first attacked us long ago.
I've gathered useful specimens of Typhon's flesh, and we've been studying how we can use it in our craft. But we don't yet have meaningful progress to share.
Oh, come now. Driving back that monster more than once is progress meaningful enough. My lord husband thought that your first such victory could have simply been a fluke.
Now, what I said, dear wife, was that a single victory against Typhon did not prove more such victories could be achieved. But now you've demonstrated otherwise, Melinoë, and
King Zeus, Queen Hera, by your leave I ought return with what I found, in case it leads to new discoveries about how we can do just that. Thank you all for your continued aid.
You have our gratitude in kind.
Salutations.
Shall rise and dawn will break. Our fated glory.
It's good to see you again, cousin. Just as I was beginning to fear my song would be tonight's sole source of cheer.
Lord Apollo, good to see you too. Please give my regards to the others. I would have liked...
Of course, you must be on your last legs. The others surely would have liked to see you too, especially your grandmother. But they couldn't leave their posts. Please accept our apologies, and let us help you to return.
Tell Lady Demeter and everyone I wish them well. Goodbye for now, everyone. May you be safe and well when next we meet. Return to Shadow now.